Welcome to BuySpares. This video will show you how to remove and replace the knobs on an oven. Before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure that the appliance is first unplugged from the mains. If the knobs on your oven are broken or becoming worn, you may want to replace them with new ones. The old knobs should pull away from the oven quite easily. The new knob should fit onto the shaft protruding from the oven. Line up the hole in the new knob so that it fits onto the shaft correctly, and press it on firmly, making sure it's secured. For all the spare parts you need, visit www.buyspares.co.uk.